Okay, 1 pack of salt, 2 packs of Onga. No, half carton will do, half carton of turkey. 1/4 ram. Oh yeah, bitter leaf. I've forgotten.
Nekuku. Your list is sounding very interesting. What are you preparing?
Egusi that can change destinies.
Send me up, I'm all yours.
Just like that. Market for egusi.
It's not just like that, but egusi. This one is something like egusi, let me make it. So what am I doing with the destiny? Take it and give me egusi.
Stop.
Let me help you
Share. So,
you want to increase the ram? So that, you know.
Will you bring money?
AJ.
AJ! AJ! Did she just bang my door? AJ! Has she gone?
Good afternoon, Mother.
Good afternoon. What's wrong with your sister?
I literally protected her all the way home. She just got her period and is at risk of getting pregnant any minute. I even covered my hands.
Junior, it's okay. Go upstairs, change your clothes and do your homework.
Okay. Yes. Timmy, I thought you gave him the talk. Timmy?
Oh, my phone is ringing. Nico, he's calling. I can't be late. Excuse me. Hello, Nico. Yes, I'm coming. Hey, I'm coming.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. Smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Okay. I guess your eyes just happen to be leaking.
Oh, it's just so embarrassing.
What? The fact that you're now a woman.
Can everyone just stop saying that, please?
What?
You know, I'm tired and my tummy hurts and it's all yucky. I just want to sleep and wake up and kill Junior for killing me today with embarrassment.
All right. Ejinwam Obin. You're welcome to womanhood. Let me just let you freshen up. But remember,
you always have to stay clean. No excuses. I know, Mom. I know.
That's my girl. So, is this oil enough? Salt, oil, pepper. I think I have. No, I'm not sure if I'm going to have to start baking.
My love.
Me or the pot of soup that you were planning to steal from?
You, of course. And then check if it was free.
Hey, go have Mark. Now that you are here, I said I will ask you. Why does our son think that wrapping his hand with a handkerchief will protect a girl from getting pregnant? Oh, the real question is, why does he even think touching her will get her pregnant in the first place?
Well, you know, these kids of these days, we have no idea where they get all these ideas
Tintin, we promised to give him the talk now.
Well, I was going to, but I figured out everything is out there on the internet, and he and his friends would gist about it and somehow find a way to figure it all out for themselves.
Wait, you want the internet and friends to teach Juju about sex?
Well, they also teach them in school biology.
Hey, this man will not be the end of me. You see, you will be the one to take care of the unwanted pregnancy you will bring home.
No, now. What about you? Have you told it?
Of course! Since she was 10. How do you think she knew what to do?
Oh. So why was she so upset?
Because Junior kept screaming at any boy who came near her saying, "Don't touch my sister! She'll get pregnant! Don't touch my sister!" The poor girl was upset and very embarrassed, not just for herself, but for Junior's ignorance.
Oh.
Hey, better fix it. Fix it. Or this Egusi Elanimeje that you've been shouting about. You only hear of it. This your tongue will forever wonder if it was really as great as everybody says it was.
Junior! Junior!
So easy with him.
Oh, my darling. Oh, get up. I have hug grandma. Oh, how are you, my daughter? I miss you.
Me too.
Oh, how is your mom?
She's in the kitchen.
I can smell her handwork. Let's go and meet her. How? Adoma. How? Amalicha mom. What did she have up on her mouth like this?
I was about to start before you came in.
Continue now.
I should not stop to greet you again.
Am I a visitor? I beg, continue your cooking.
Hey, how is everybody now?
They are fine. Baby, go and help your mommy now.
Oh, Grandma, my tummy is biting me.
What happened?
Mama, Ejen was now a big girl. She got her first period today.
Hey, my daughter is a big girl now. If you are a woman now, then somebody will not send you a message.
Hey.
I beg, go and pound the Ozali for your mom.
Where's the sun?
I will show you. It's fine.
So you are not teaching her?
I don't want time for this. Please.
My daughter, I hope you give her a chicken lap today. Yeah, you have forgotten. The door of your own, didn't your mom give you chicken?
In Igbo culture, when a girl gets her first period, she's entitled to a chicken lap.
Yes, so you are owing her a chicken lap.
It's not a problem. I'll call my delivery man.
Okay, my daughter, go and help your mom cook now. Which method are you using now?
You know how I like to experiment, Abby? I've discovered one. I need to show it to you. It will change your life.
Yes, Grandma, the recipe is mad.
It will not be mad in Jesus' name.
No, I mean, it's bad. Bad like good, so good.
Just say good. I beg, go and wash your hand and help your mom. Let me go and drop my bag.
So AJ is okay?
Yes, she is.
No wonder she was trying to cover my mouth. Why did you tell me earlier? I'm sure I must have looked like such a fool. No wonder everyone was laughing.
No. No son of mine is a fool. Okay? People learn at their own pace, and quite frankly, I guess I was scared of you growing up too fast. Soup is ready. Know this. I'm here to answer any question you may have, no matter how difficult or uncomfortable, okay? And remember, be nice to your sister. Being a lady is tougher than it looks.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color,
vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
I love this. Just look at it, Egusi. This is how... Mama, when I tell you something, believe it. Huh? Egusi, that life is a journey full of twists and turns. Sweet, right? Lifelong learnings and unlearnings. You are never too young or too old to learn something new.
Hold on. Oh, don't say that.
Nneka.
Okay, Grandma. Before we start, there's something I have to do. AJ, I'm sorry about earlier. I was just trying to protect you. I know.
Oh, look at my baby.
Nneka,
Mom?
I have something to say. Don't forget to write down this year method for me. My next women meeting. All of them will have the taste of something mad.
Mama.
He's so bad.
Yeah, so because I am for serious with that.
All right. Egusi that changes destinies.
You are a destiny change. Yeah, looking to change my destiny.